Welcome to qnawire.
So now we'll work on problem 32 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're told that we have to prepare a pH equals 5.00 buffer, and we have the following 0.1 molar solutions available: formic acid, sodium formate, acetic acid, sodium acetate, hydrocyanic acid, and sodium cyanide. So which solution would we use, and how much volume of each solution would we want to make approximately 1 liter of the buffer? So first, we can look at the pKa's of each of these buffer systems to see which system we'd want to use. So we have formic acid buffer, acetic acid, and hydrocyanic acid. So the pKa for formic acid is 3.74, for acetic acid is 4.74, and for hydrocyanic acid is 9.31. So if we want to buffer with a pH of 5, so we select the one that's within 1 pH unit of this value, and that's acetic acid. So we'll use the acetic acid buffer solutions to make the buffers. So to figure out how much of each solution we need, we can use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So pH is equal to 5, which is equal to pKa, which is 4.74, plus the log of base over acid. This could be either concentration or moles. And so we get 0.26 is equal to the log of base over acid. We take the anti-log, and we get an base over acid, concentration of base over acid, is equal to 1.82. And we also know that these two concentrations combined must equal the concentration we're given at the beginning. So using these two equations, we can solve for the concentration of acid. So we'll say the base is equal to 1.82 acid. So we put 1.82 acid, which we get from the first equation, and we plug into the second equation, plus concentration of acid is equal to 0.10 molar. From here, we can solve for the concentration of acid as being equal to 0.035 molar, which means that the base should be equal to 0.065 molar, since they must both equal this value. So the volume of acid we can calculate just by using M1V1, M is equal to M2V2. So V1 is equal to M2V2 over V1, which is equal to 0.035 times 1 liter divided by 0.10. This should be M1. Which gives us a value of 0.35 liters, or 350 milliliters, which means that the volume of the base is equal to 650 milliliters. because we want our total volume to be equal to 1,000 milliliters.